Today I am going to show a mold design. This is the mold design of a block. I designed this for my client, so I want to show how does operate this. It will move in this position. This is the concrete block. It will move in this and in this position, and this work as like a core. Okay, then it will move. This is our F2 concrete block, and this is the mold. Actually it will work like this. This is our concrete block, and it's a complete mold box. This is the main position of this concrete block. Yeah, it will stay in this position after this is the block of the concrete. After casting of this block, this part will move in this position, and you can move this, and you can move this, and then this block will move in this side. Now see, this is a concrete block. If anyone need any kinds of block to design a mold, please contact with me. My Gmail is available in the description, and my phone number is available in the description. Thank you for watching. Please contact with me if anyone need any kinds of mold design or any kinds of 3D product design related to industrial product or machinery, any parts 2D and 3D. Thank you for watching.